Today is one of those beautiful days whereby I spend time with children, telling them more about our Zimbabwe traditional music, arts, and culture. It was very warm, sunshiny day in the eastern highlands of Zimbabwe in Mutare, whereby we gathered with children from a local school called Chisamba Primary School, whereby they came to learn about this, our beautiful traditional music, arts, and culture. And right now, as I'm playing the music, it's just to give them this feel. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Are you happy? Are you sure? Sure? Can I ask a question? Why are you happy? Because you're here. Another one? Yes? Wow. Yes? Serious? You. Well, good one. Sure. Say good one. Oh. I would like to welcome you all here. Yes, boys.